They'll bring a 1.5 kVA inverter and label it 3.5 kVA inverter. This woman here was scammed by solar agents. This woman was a hairdresser who decided to invest her money in solar installation just for her to save money and avoid the disturbance of generator and payment of fuel in Nigeria now. So she decided to save a lot of money and go for solar installation, not knowing she would get scammed. To avoid this, here are 5 solar agent scam you need to avoid so that you won't save your money and dump it to another person that will eat it for you. First solar scam, the ghost agent. Most agents claim to be an installer for a particular company while they are not. You need to avoid this. How do you avoid this? Never pay a solar agent without signing a contract for a company or knowing the particular location you can find them. Do inquiry for them. Number 2, the solar guesser. Most agents claim to be a solar installer by knowing a little bit about solar installation, and they will come to you, tell you that they will get you a good solar installation, and they'll tell you that you need this amount of size of solar installation with a guess, just because they want to increase their price so that their commission will rise or for them to make money. So they overcharge you or they oversize it just for them to make money. Avoid this. How do you avoid this? Without a solar guide or solar consultant, never agree to the size of solar installation they give to you. The solar wrong size. Most installer claim to give you a good solar size, like they'll bring a 1.5 kVA inverter and label it 3.5 kVA inverter just for them to scam you and take your money. So how do you notice this? It's very hard to notice it because you can't know it, because you know nothing about the installation. If the size is a label on the body, never agree to it. It's just a scam. This other one is also harder for you to notice. The used battery. Most installer bring a battery that has been used and tell you there is a new battery. Like, I don't even know how to say this, how to tell you a wrong or a new battery, because some of them are so good at this. All I have to say is know the installer rate. If a company is being rated low, or do some inquiry about that company or installer, know whether he's doing a good work, because you can never know a fake battery or a used battery from a new brown battery, because some of them are so good at this. They are a criminal right from beginning, even before they go into solar installation. So make sure you know or ask question about that company or those people. Too good to be truth advert. Most of them give an advert, too good to be truth advert, about a cheap installation or a free battery or anything free, anything that does not look truth. They bring this. Do not fall for this. This have been something that have been everywhere all these years, where they do advert on something free and they will tell you to pay a little money first. So this is a normal scam we all know about. To many business people, solar is an investment, but to solar agents, it is a time for them to make a lot of money and scam a lot of people, because the market is just new and the scam is just new, so people will not witness it. So if you want me, if you like this video, I will make other videos on other things you need to avoid from being scammed before you spend millions of naira on or give an agent a millions of naira. But number one, Scammers are the solar agents. Be aware of them. Thank you.